How to analyze 500+ page documents using Claude. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can analyze large documents using Claude. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open Claude and start a new chat. Upload documents directly into the conversation. These documents can be PDFs, text files, or other written materials that you want Claude to analyze. Once you upload your documents, you can start asking Claude questions about them. For example, you can prompt Claude to analyze the following document thoroughly, read all sections and provide a concise overall summary, key points from each major section or chapter, the main arguments, insights, or findings, and any important data, patterns, or conclusions. Present the output in clear headings and bullet points so someone can quickly understand the entire document without reading all 500+ pages. A good prompt could be something like asking Claude to provide a summary and synthesis of the uploaded documents. When you structure the prompt carefully, Claude can first analyze each document individually and then produce a narrative summary that combines the key ideas. After getting the first summary, you can take things one step further by adding more documents. Simply upload additional files and continue the conversation. Now you can ask Claude to append the new information to the existing summary while keeping all the previous details intact. In your prompt, you can also ask Claude to think step by step through the process, which helps the AI organize the information more clearly. By chaining prompts like this, Claude gradually builds a longer and more detailed document that combines information from multiple sources. In the end, you'll have one comprehensive document that includes several iterations of summaries and synthesized information from all the uploaded files. And that's how you can use Claude to combine and summarize multiple documents in one place. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.